Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to reset the service lights on the G Series M vehicles. You're going to start by pressing the start stop button 3 times. Let these messages go through until you get into diagnostic mode. Clear the message up top with the BC button located on the left side of the steering wheel. And you're going to locate this button on the steering wheel with the 3 lines and the 3 dots. You're going to press and hold this for 15 seconds. I recommend you have a stopwatch open, preferably on your phone, just to count down to 15 seconds. And then you'll get the oil service reset possible come up. You let go of the button, press and hold for 3 seconds, let go. Press and hold for an additional 3 seconds and let go. And then you can cycle the other services using the same button. You're going to use the same process where you hold for 3 seconds, wait for the reset question mark, let go, press and hold for another 3 seconds, and then you can let go. And I'll do it one more time for the brake fluid. Press and hold 3 seconds, let go, press and hold 3 seconds, and you let go. Alright, so that's all there is to it. If you liked it, if you learned something, if I helped you save some money, click right here on the top left corner for more videos on the BMW G Series M cars. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.